The pandemic could soon be over. That's according to the regional director of the World Health Organization Europe. Hans Kluge says he sees COVID-19 transformed to a seasonal disease in the months to come.
So that once that the Omicron wave will subside, there will be for quite some weeks and months a global immunity, either thanks to the vaccine or because people have immunity due to the infection, and also lowering seasonality. So we anticipate that there will be a period of quiet before the COVID-19 may come back towards end of the year, but not necessarily the pandemic coming back. So it's plausible that the region is moving towards a kind of a pandemic endgame, not an endgame of the COVID-19, but a pandemic endgame.
In France, a new vaccine health passport begins today for those over the age of 16. It's despite protests in Paris at the weekend and political resistance. People will have to show them to enter bars, restaurants, gyms and interregional public transport. The pass targets the unvaccinated as a negative COVID test will no longer be sufficient. However, coronavirus infections are surging through Poland. The country saw more than 34,000 new cases during the last 24 hours. This figure is an increase of 132% from last week. Poland has a vaccination rate that is below the European Union average, with more than 21 million receiving their 2 doses.